Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. And as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the weekly and daily. If you are a swing trader, go to 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes and you go to find timeline down in the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline it will suit you. So let's start our lesson of today. As you see here, that weekly candle here, it's finished, guys. Here, that one here, as you see it. And what it gave us here, it gave us here a very nice pin bar. People there in my Telegram channel, they know me I bought from here, from down here in that level here exactly. And you can go to my Telegram channel and you go to find there. I put one screenshot of my Binance account. I told them I bought about $100. It's not that much, but because the market was very sharply falling, and that pin bar we came here, it's telling us that level here, it's telling us that level here of the falling of FTX that day here. It's a very stronger level here, and the Bitcoin, it doesn't want to fall down. That's very good signal, but till now we haven't changed from the downtrend to an uptrend. We need to wait in another week, because as I tell you before, and people they've been with me here for some time, I told them we got here in the weekly that level here, that one here, it needs to be broken. If we break it, we are going to go to here, exactly to here. Till now we haven't broken that level here. As you see it, how many times we came to it? We came to it first time, second time, and we couldn't break it. And down here we got a very well known wake of pattern here, but till now it hasn't complete. We need to come to break above here for us to know that downtrend we've been in it from 2021, it has changed, and I'm sure in 2023 it's going to change. So just wait and be patient. And if you are a long-term trader, just day say people they bought the Bitcoin from 6,000 till now in that down market, them they are profitable. Even you, if you are a long-term trader, you are in a discount, and try to buy as much as you can at this time. But the only thing I can tell you, and here before I show you, we got here a very clear head and shoulder here, but we couldn't break the neckline. The neckline is it here, that level here. So till now we couldn't break it above here, even that one it's not yet. And we got another price action pattern here. We got now here a very clear mega fall like that, as you see it. But till now we haven't broken that level here of 25k. That level is very stronger. So till now it's not it, guys. And another thing, we got it here in the weekly. I showed it to you before. We got here the 50 moving average. It crossed below the 200 moving average. That's a very bad signal. So till now we need to wait and even that one to cross above. But for me personally, when we are in a downtrend like that, because one thing I learned it from long years in the financial market, when all the people they are scared and you heard that much of noise, at the right time for you to start accumulating. And me personally, I think we are in the right time to start buying slowly by slowly. No matter how long it's been crisis, that's the right time for you to become rich. Remember that rich people, they become in the time of crisis. They don't become in the time when everything is low green. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So now let's go into see the coming news for today. So let's go in there. As you see, my friend, here for today, Monday, we don't got special news here. There is nothing special here. The only thing we got here, it's our friend here, the table of us here, as you see it. That one today, it's make wonders. Let's make it like that, as you see it. All US stocks, they are red today. Everything is very bad. Plus here, our friend the VIX, it's look too much of scarness, and I tell you why. Because of the Fed, it's going back to increase more interest rate. They said they are not going to stop at that 5%, because the 5% is being the selling, and they said them they are not going to increase by 0.25 now. They are going to increase by 0.50. And that is very bad, because the Fed members, they came out and they started talking, and they said them they are not going to stop or to pivot at 2023. So it's going to take them till the summer of 2023. So as you see it now, the scarness is go back too much. The VIX today is 24.8 and we are going to 50. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. So now let's go into see what the Bitcoin doing today in the daily. So let's go in there. Here we are in the daily. We're still here for long-term trading or long-term investment. Here in the last video, you could just can find it at just I think 3 hours when I put it. I told you we got here like that and we got here like that a wage. You remember it? That wage here is getting broke now. So for the daily, people they haven't entered, they can enter now as you see it because we break here that level here. I tell you that. And I got something else for you, but you stick with me here because if you remember what else we have here, we have a downtrend here and that downtrend it's being touched here again here. A downtrend here is the downtrend of the that wage we got here in the daily. Now we need that one to go to break for us that 25k here. If it done it, I'm going to be the most happiest person in the world because till now I'm buying from nice levels. I'm buying from down from 15k. I'm buying from here. Till now I'm still accumulating. I'm still buying from nice levels. If it's going to go up and to break here, that's very good. If it fall down, that's another story. And me in the last video, what me I told you here, I told you like that. We got here that very stronger supply and demand zone. And as you see it now, it's getting broke. That's when the Bitcoin, it couldn't stay down here. That one is a very, very good signal. Till now, it's showing to us. So let's wait in the coming days what they are going to tell us. And here, we got something else. Let me show it to you. Here, people, they remember that when we touch here, the 200 moving average, me I buy because me I used to have here a pending order. And when we used to be here, I told you, me I got a pending order here at the 200 moving average. Now, either it's going to touch here the 50 moving average and after that is going to fall down or from here is going to break and to go higher. Till now as we staying here between the two levels here as you see them. So there is nothing yet. You need to wait and more what the market is going to tell you in the coming days. I think picture is very, very clear here. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, you remember in the last video, you just can find it just in the channel. I told you I'm waiting the break to happen here. And as you see it, the break it happened here. And the trend line me are being followed that about 5 days or 6 days, I think. When it's getting broke here, look at it now. For swing trading, if you haven't entered, you can enter long now. May I tell it to you for swing trading, if you haven't entered, you can enter long now. Stop loss, you put it just here in that level here. So you need to remember those things. Yes, we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone here. Look at it. Last time from here we fall down and now we are in it here. But me, I don't care about that supply and demand zone. Me, I care about the trend line getting broke here. That's why me I enter and I will put my stop loss down here. So for swing trading, you can enter long now and you put stop loss down here. That's what me I've been telling you guys. That's what me I've been telling you. When we been here at the oversold or extreme oversold here, I've been telling you, me every time when my indicator, because my indicator is not a simple indicator. It's got some special setting. It doesn't enter very quick to the oversold and it doesn't enter very quick to the overbought. When it enter here, I told you that the right time me I buy, but I'm still waiting the price action. And the price action, as you see it, it's breaking here. So for the people they haven't entered, they can enter long again. Everything is too clear, guys. Here in the 4 hours, let's go now to see our indicator, what it's saying here. So let's go in there. Our indicator, as you see it, you remember when we be in here at the oversold area or extreme oversold area, I told you me I'm looking here to buy, but I'm waiting the break to happen in the 4 hours because I told you me I got here a trend line like that. The trend line here is getting broke. I'm waiting here the market to change from bears control to the bulls control, and that's what it done exactly. Look at it. It changed from bears control to the bulls control. So now what should you do? Of course, you need to be buying. The level where you need to start thinking of to take profit here. You see the trend line we got here? Let me show it to you for picture to get more clear to you. You remember as we said here, we got a divergence here from that level here and that level here. And that will pushing the Bitcoin to fall down that much here. Now we are going to touch it here. When we touch it here, try to protect yourself. When we touch it here, try to protect yourself. I know you're going to tell me I don't have that indicator. Also, when it's going to be touched, we're going to put for you video here. So I think everything is too clear, guys. So let's go in now to see our other indicator, what it's saying. The one here, same thing. If you remember us, we been here at the oversold area for some time here. Yeah, enter along from here, and I used to have stop loss here. My stop loss is being hidden. Then I enter a short. All the people with me, they remember that. Now it's breaking here. Now you need to enter long again. That's what me have been telling you. Because that one is going here to the overbought area. When it's going to touch the overbought area, start protecting yourself. That's the only thing I can tell you. When it's touching here, the overbought area, start protecting yourself. Everything is too clear, guys, here. So now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, the last video. You can just go back, watch the video before in that one and see it where I give you the signal. People, they be in with me, I give them a signal from down here to enter along. The last video will be in here, exactly here. Because me, I remember I told you got here, that neckline here, and I do it like that. I told you if it's breaking lower here, enter short. If it's breaking higher here, enter long. Where did it break? It's break here. So well, if you just followed the last video, I just put it, I think, at 6 o'clock. Well, if you enter at 6 o'clock till here, look where we are. I'm talking 6 o'clock GMT time. And now is it 1 o'clock GMT time. So well done, you make very, very nice profit from here till here. Very simple and easy. And you remember what me I told you here? People, they being with us, they remember that very, very, very well. I told you we got here a downtrend. That downtrend is being broken here. Look at it. Look till where now? Over here, what should you do now? In that level where we are. Same thing. We still have here the downtrend here, that one here. You waited to get broke down here for you to enter short. If it doesn't get broke, you wait in here, a price action here for you to enter short or you to enter long. For people, they haven't entered long yet. People, they enter from here, you wait in a price action here, and that price action, if it's getting broke down, you close the long and you open a short position. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Why me? Let me explain a little bit. Me, I told you to enter long. Why here? Because we used to have here that cup and handle very clear here. Look at it. And that the neckline here is getting broke here. So we'll have here, you enter long, and look where you are now. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying here in 30 minutes. Our indicator, as you see it, is it here at the overbought area. So people, they enter from down here, or people, they enter from down here. Try to protect yourself now. Try to protect yourself. Move the stop loss a little bit up here or here, because you don't know what's going to happen, because that one is scalping and day trading, and it's too dangerous if you don't protect in yourself. Remember that. Some people, they follow me, they told me they are in profit, but they don't know how to protect themselves. To protect yourself, just move the stop loss a little bit up like that or like that, and close a little bit of your order. Remember those things what I'm telling you. Now here, what should we do here? Because our indicator is it here at the overbought area. So technically now also we need to look in for short, because we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it. Should you enter short now? No, my friend. The only price action you have here is that trend line like that. That one is need to be broken here for us to enter short, or the market to give us here in that level a price action indicating for us also we need to enter short. Till now there is nothing clear in the market. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.